Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger brake pads, only way. Start by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting the car with a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel, inspect the rotor and caliper, and gather necessary tools. Follow torque specs, replace pads evenly, and bed new pads progressively to avoid noise and uneven wear. Gather the right tools before you start to save time and avoid mistakes. You will need a jack stands, a lug wrench, C-clamp or piston tool, and a torque wrench. Also keep new brake pads, brake cleaner, gloves, and safety glasses handy. Confirm pad compatibility with your Dodge Charger model and check rotor condition to decide if rotors need resurfacing or replacement before reassembly. Have a shop manual or trusted guide for torque values and sequences. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free music while working on your charger, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and voice control. It's compact, blends into a garage or home, and pairs with Bluetooth devices easily. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by loosening lug nuts, lifting the car, and removing the wheel. Unbolt the caliper, support it to avoid hanging by the brake hose, and slide out the old pads and hardware. Inspect and clean the caliper bracket and apply anti-squeal compound where recommended. Compress the caliper piston evenly, fit new pads and hardware, reassemble in reverse order, torque all fasteners to spec, and perform a cautious test drive to bed the pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.